morning, students. Today we are going to start with the graphical representation of relations. Okay, so let's take one example. This is the relation R. Okay, its element is denoted by the ordered pair xy, where x and y belonging to natural number, and the value of y will be x cube. The x will be less than equal to 5, means we will take all the natural number which is less than equal to 5. So let's start the graphical representation. As you know, we have two sets A and B. This time A and B, basically this A is natural number and this B is also a natural number, because x and y both are belonging to the natural number. Now we have to write all the natural numbers less than 5. So here, because this is a set of natural numbers, so we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But apart from this, we have other elements also, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Okay. Similarly, because y is x cube, so here y is 1, this 8, then 27, then 64, then 125. But we have another elements also, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Okay. Now look at here, because y is x cube and x is less than equal to 5, so we are going to attach the elements. Cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 4 is 64 and cube of 5 is 125. So this is the relation R from A to B or N to N. So this is the graphical representation of relation. Now student, here from this example only we will learn what is domain and codomain of a relation. So domain. So let's start. What is domain? Domain of relation. Domain of a relation is equal to all the elements of set A which are attached with the elements of B. So this is A, this is B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the elements of domain. So this is called domain, means basically 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to infinity, these are not domain because these are not attached with this. Only those elements of A which are attached with the elements of B are called domain. Now second is codomain. Codomain means all the elements of set B. So all natural numbers are under this codomain. Okay, this complete natural number set. Next it is coming range. One of the term is range. Range means all the elements of set B which are the images of the elements of A. So 1, 8, 27, 64 and 125, these are the elements. So you should write 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. These are the elements of range. So here we have learned graphical representation and domain, codomain and range of a relation. Now student, see one important note. If number of elements in set A is m, number of elements in set B is n, then the total number of elements in A cross B is equal to m into n. Total subsets of A cross B is equal to 2 raised to the power mn. Therefore, the possible number of relations is equal to 2 raised to the power mn. So if anywhere they are asking about possible number of relation, then you can use this formula. Total possible relations is equal to 2 raised to the power mn, where m is the number of element in A and n is the number of element in B. Okay. Now student, we want to discuss one more important topic. This is inverse of a relation. In this topic, if suppose we have a relation R is equal to xy such that x is belonging to A and y is belonging to B, then the inverse of a relation R is denoted by R inverse. Okay, R inverse. So this R inverse is basically the this one, the order, the change ordered pair, this reverse order pair. This is xy, so it is yx. So this is called inverse of a relation. So in this case we can say domain of R inverse is same as range of R, and range of R inverse is same as domain of R. So these topics you have to cover up today, and I will give the questions in your WhatsApp group. Thank you.